Hello guys, today I would like to show you my father's Z18XE head. It came off a Holden Astra wagon from 2005. So the reason why it's on the table is that my father's on the way to work. The belt happened to snap, and which then that caused misfire and it bent all the valves. So today I have removed the intake cam and the exhaust cam and labeled pretty much everything. And yeah, so just by the looks of it, everything is in pretty much good condition. But if I flip it on the side, you can see, yeah, we can start to see all the bent cams, all the bent valves. Let's see if we can focus. Yep, as you can see, we got a few bent valves. This is meant to be top dense antenna, so all of these are meant to be closed. As you can see, these are all bent. These ones here and these two. It seems like this one here is bent as well. Yep. So yeah. So pretty much the cams is assembled, and pretty much in the next video we will be removing all the buckets and hopefully removing all the valves. So stay tuned for next episode.